Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rana Muhammad Kashif and you are watching my YouTube channel Positive People Commission. Welcome to another amazing Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set the default font and font size for new workbooks in Excel. Oftenly, we may have preference for a specific font. So let's move on to set a default font in Microsoft Excel. Excel uses the very nice Calibri font by default in Windows, but if you would like to use a different font or change the default size, you can easily adjust the settings in the Excel options screen. So let's move on. Start by clicking the File tab. On the Backstage screen, click Options in the list of items on the left. Make sure the General screen is active, then select the font you want as the default from the Use this as the default font drop down list. I will select Times New Roman as the default font. Okay, and to select a different font size as the default size, select a size from the font size drop down list. I will select 11 and now click OK to accept the changes. Well, you must exit Excel and restart it for the changes to take effect. Click OK on the following dialog box that displays and then close and reopen Excel. Now you will see your chosen font and size as the defaults for all cells on all worksheets and any new workbooks you create in Excel. This is often a very useful tip if you are a data entry operator or doing a data entry task on daily routine basis with a specific font, so you don't have to change it over and over again, and it will be set to your preferred font by default. You can always change the font using the home tab on the ribbon as well, but it's only for the selected cells on the current worksheet. I hope so you must have learned from this tutorial. Do subscribe and stay tuned for more such informative videos.